Remember the gel polish from Mifa, Amazon brand that I demoed about a couple weeks ago? Well, this is how they look 3 weeks later, and now I'm going to show you how I remove them. I only use one product, it's very simple, and I'm going to leave this in real time so you can see exactly how fast this product works. Now, if this bottle looks familiar to you, it's because I also use this brand sometimes to remove my dip powder. But it's actually designed to remove gel polish, and it works a lot faster removing gel polish. But I'm going to stop talking and just let the video and the product speak for itself. You'll see. As you can see, I'm just now on my third finger, but if you pay close attention to my pinky finger, you can already see the polish near my cuticle line starting to bubble up. It's working just that quick. It's already ready for me to start removing part of the gel polish. And now, as you can see, I have more fingers that are starting to bubble up. So I'm going to let this sit and move on to my next hand, and then I'll come back and start scraping up the parts that have lifted, and then I'll apply another layer of the gel polish remover and then move on to my next hand once again. Overall, I applied 3 layers to completely remove the gel polish, because the more layers of product that you have on your nails, the more layers of remover that you would need to do. But overall, this did not take long. As you can see, it was already starting to bubble up. It went by super quick. So this is one fast and easy, very simple way to remove your gel polish nails. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.